there's just one more week to get your t-shirts for our Strength Will Rise that's happening in the summer. So get to the foyer, order yours, check out what size you need, and make sure you get yours ready for the church weekend away. You want to be looking good.
Break this heart, let your light shining.
The God Loves You tour is going to be happening on Saturday the 14th of May, and we're going to be going here from Excel Church. We're going to be taking a coach full of people, so why not come along and even invite a friend. The coach will cost £10, but then the event there in Liverpool is completely free, so why not invite someone along that you can bring to hear the good news of Jesus for maybe the first time ever. But guys, you'll also have a bit of free time when we're there to actually have a look around Liverpool as well. But we'll be leaving from church at 1 p.m. And then we'll be coming back a little later in the evening. So why not come along and join us for the God Loves You tour, and why not invite a friend too. Amigos, nos vamos a España a hacer misiones. Yes friends, you heard right. We are planning a mission trip to the north of Spain in September. So if you'd like to apply to come along on this mission trip, then why not speak to Dan to get an application pack, or head to Church Suite online to find out some more information how you can sign up to receive your application pack as well. Adios amigos!
Break this heart, let your light shining. Be my Lord, my God.
The church in the Black Country is stronger together.
Let's get back together at Together Festival 2022.
Join us on Saturday the 9th of July with over 5,000 Black Country Christians at Himley Park for a free multi-generational Christian festival.
Explore our 4 incredible zones with something for everyone.
For under 8s in the family zone, ride the rides, watch amazing mini shows, get involved in crafts and a together treasure hunt, and so much more.
Check out the Youth Zone, featuring the message bus filled with gaming and activities. Grab your mates and get involved with sports, games and competitions.
Be inspired in the Creative Zone. Hear local musicians on the acoustic stage. Try our creative workshops, or browse and buy in the Makers Market, and so much more.
Come together in the Gather Zone, the Explore Zone big top filled with our partners. Try our local street food zone or grab a picnic together. Join us at the main stage for professional entertainment, theatre performances, powerful worship and inspiration for what we can do together.
Book in online to get your free ticket now.
The marriage prep course is going to be happening on the 7th and 21st of May this month. So if you're getting married or you know someone who is, then why not sign up or get them signed up on this course to give them a preparation before their big day. Connect groups are now happening in person. We've waited a long time for this and it's here. So if you are in a Connect group, then chat to your coordinator to find out more details of when your group will be meeting and where. And if you're not in a Connect group, then just speak to one of us or head over to the website to sign up to be part and joined in with a Connect group. It's a great way to make community, to build community and to find out more about people here and to grow in faith together. So get connected to one if you're not already. Are you new to Excel Church? Well, we've got a new People's Lunch happening on the 22nd of May and you are invited to it. So if you've recently joined, we'd love to see you there, where you'll have an opportunity to meet the leaders, the team here at Excel Church, and you'll get to hear more about what we do, our vision, and what opportunities there are for you to get involved in. So why not book in, sign up online to come along, and you'll get a free meal as well, of course. So do let us know if you're coming so that we can sort catering things for you. So we'll see you at that new People's Lunch on the 22nd of May.
You said
for Excel News. If you want any more information though, just get us on our website or get us on social media and drop us a DM. But have a great week, guys. Bye.